So, you want to get your side-by-side street legal but don't know what it takes? Follow me and we'll go find out. Hey Billy, how you doing, friend?
Hey guys, what's going on?
Hey man, I got a 2021 Kawasaki KRX I was looking to get street legal.
All right.
What's it going to take to get that done?
All right, so you're going to need a windshield wiper, obviously a windshield wiper kit. You're going to need your turn signal kit and your lighted tag frame. Your turn signal kit will come with your horn and your turn signals. Lighted tag frame has all your lights and wiring to get you ready to go. It's about an $1,100 package to get everything out the door and get you down the road.
Alright, so now that we got all of our parts installed, we're ready to go to the next step. That's going to be going to your local DMV. You're going to need 4 things. Number 1, you're going to need an MVR 59. This is going to be a form that's going to be given to you by the dealership. It will be filled out and notarized. Number 2, you're going to need a North Carolina state inspection, just like your vehicle. Number 3, an MCO, otherwise known as a certificate of origin. If you don't have this, you're going to have to get it from the dealership that you bought the machine from. And then number 4, proof of insurance. Get those 4 things, get these accessories installed on your machine, you'll be ready to hit the, not trail, you'll be ready to hit the road, baby.